Yeah, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo for marriage and the relationship section of the print on demand business, where I recommend Printful because they give you a free account. They start you off for free and they train you how to be successful in this business. So, which is a passive income business and one you need to change to, I think, to get away from your active income, which is the most unstable income, as COVID-19 has shown, right? So, with that, this is what I recommend you get into, because of that reason. Those reasons few reasons I gave you there, right there. And this is for you and I'm going to show you, right, how to create the easiest part, which just to show you how simple it is. Everything else in this business you do once, right? You set up your shop once and everything else. And the traffic, well, you have to do that. You just do that once as well, but then well, you just use the same traffic sources. That's what you do. I mean, it's that simple. And but as hard as it gets is really isn't really hard. Is doing the sayings and logos and overviews, sayings, logos, and slogans, which I will show you how simple it is. It's really simple, and and these are the things that'll turn your business from a business that's doing nothing to something that's doing a lot of something, and before you know it, you'll be a traveling nomad, where you don't, all you need is an internet connection and you can go wherever you like, which you can't do with your job, right? Because you've got to be there. And I don't care what you say, Oh, but I've got my sick pay and I got my holiday pay. Nah, once it's gone, you take it off then and see how far you get. You'll learn pretty quickly. You'll learn very quickly that that's not going to work very well. But when on this business, once you get your winners and once you build your income on this business, you'll find out very quickly that you can be a wandering nomad. You can be a traveling nomad, and all you need is an internet connection. And you can take your laptop and get an internet connection, and that's it. That's all you need. Okay. So let's get on with it, shall we? Without further ado and fanfare, we'll just get on with creating another one. So this is another one, which I think you're. And there you go. Your partner should be priority number one, definitely. You know, you make them your main priority, and then guess what? That's what helps your relationship to survive. Because you're not going out with your mates and all this sort of stuff. You're not doing that. Your priority is to your partner, not to your mates. See, that's another thing. Okay, so that's another one. So yeah, there it is. I mean, you've just got to learn how to do things. I've been married for 40 years, so I know what I'm talking about here. This is important stuff, right? You need to know what you need to do, right? Oh, here's another one too. Oh, this is the financial side. I'm going to cover that too, right? I mean, this is with earned income, but this if you get this passive system that I'm talking about, right? You can both be doing it. And think about it, it doesn't, both have separate businesses, right? Right, and you have two businesses, right? Two incomes are better than one. That's right, and that's right. See, this is a partner you're pairing together. Your partner should be your priority number one. Two incomes are better than one. This is what happened. There's a benefit to being married. You see, now, usually this is people are on active income and they have to go to work, and they don't see each other. See, they're spending their time with stink people. They would, that's what happens. But unless they love what they're doing, they love, like my wife. She loves being a nurse, so I can't argue with that one. That's how it is. Where I like doing this, you see, so that's why I'm doing it. But hey, And here's another thing that you probably don't understand. Okay, and that's this: you don't have to be on camera when you're on a Printful business. You don't appear anywhere. You can have a bit of a bio about yourself, but that's about it. No, you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. That's a fact. Not like me. I'm doing videos, right? You see my face all the time. So, but this is the way I do it. What I want to do. So that's it. See, I'm different. I don't do it the same way. I could do a profitable business too, but two incomes are better than one. That's another thing that you need to understand. And you don't. And another thing is this, right? And that's the other one. See, to survive. Okay, survive. Okay. To survive, separate your incomes. Why? Because a lot of fights are over money, over income. Because one partner will be diving into the other partner's income and trying to get what they want. Well, that's a no-no. So that's why you separate your income, and yet what you do is you bring your incomes together to pay to do the household bills and stuff like that. If you do that, because a lot of fights are over this one, right? Then you do. This is a strategy that me and my wife have done for a long time now, because this works, right? And there's no fights anymore. See, there's no fights over money. No, we just bring the what's needed to pay the household bills. That's what we do. And that's it. That's all. That's what goes into the account. And she has her money, and I have my money, and that's how that works. That's all it is. So separate your. I've done another mistake there. See, you've got to do this. This helps your marriage to survive. Otherwise, if you don't, you put your money together. That's the quickest way for your marriage to rot and die, because why? It breaks the trust, and you'll be separated and gone before you know it. That's a fact. You see, because your partner doesn't want you spending their money, right? They don't want that. See, so separate it, and then just can bring what's needed to pay your rent or whatever you have to do. That's all you have to do. It's as simple as that. And then you work. That's how you work it. Okay, so that's there. That's there. And I'll show you what I mean, because you put these slogans on your t-shirts and all the rest of it, right? You'll get a winner. You'll be right. Here we go. See, she's this like girl here. She's got this. She's holding this up. Your design here on this hoodie. And the minute you put that design on your hoodie, it's unique in the marketplace. Now no one can copy that, because it's protected by copyright law. It's your intellectual property, and you can sell that. And once you get your winners, that's what you'll be doing, selling it over and over and over again. The people who want to wear that on their hoodie, or cap, or mug, or jacket, or whatever, t-shirt, doesn't matter. You see, that's what you'll have, this asset. You see, your logo, your slogan, which will bring you income, and that's what you want. Yeah, not a job or just on break, which will just where you've got to be present for 8 to 10 hours a day or more. And then, but I can get promoted, and then you have to be even there longer, and you don't get much more. You just don't. There's no way in hell. This is a passive income system that's got a future. Yeah, your job has not. You don't want to have one of the four happen to you. You just don't. The big four. Don't get made redundant. Don't get sacked, and don't get sick, and don't get hurt, because any one of those will take away your income, and that's a fact. And no, because I've had 3 of those 4 things happen to me. Right? I've had that, so I know what I'm talking about here. So you want to challenge that one? You stick with your job, and when it happens to you, you get made redundant, or you get sacked. Well, then you're going to know, aren't you? And then here's the next thing you get here from Printful. right? My Printful, this is my account, this is my name, and these are the things I've got to do. But I'm doing something else, so I haven't got the time, right? You know, so I'm working to to educate you, right? So then you can do the right thing in life. You're young, you're not old like me. I'm trying to tell you to do the right thing. And this is one of the right things. Get off active income and get on passive income. And once you do, and you get your winners, right? And don't go like most people do. Right? Oh, it's good, there's no money. Don't do it like that, because otherwise you're chained to the post like a dog, right? That's what happens. And you will never get it. And by the time you get to 65, you're broke, because that's what active income does to you. You see, with this, it's not like that. Oh no. You get your winners, you build up your winners, you get a whole portfolio of winners, and before you know it, you're out of your job's gone. And you can be a traveling nomad then. You can go wherever you like, wherever there's an internet connection, and you can take your laptop with you, and you can do it from wherever you hang your hat. You know, you don't have to. Oh, it's cold in New York in the wintertime, or in Chicago, or wherever. It's freezing, right? You don't have to be there. You can hop on a plane and go and live in the Bahamas when it's like that. See, you've got the choice. That you'll have the choice with this business, because it's not active. You don't have to be there. It's passive. Means you don't have to be there. You don't. You see, this is what you've got to understand. You've got to understand this principle. See, and see, the rich. This is what the rich do. They do this kind of stuff. Why? Because they understand this, and they're they're wandering nomads. They can pick up and go whenever they want, and that's what you should do, right? So we go back to our slogans here. You put these on your caps. You put these on your t-shirts. You put these on your hoodies and your jackets, and you put these on your mugs as well, and people get to learn. They get to know what they should be doing instead of doing the wrong thing, okay? You see? I mean, these two here, two incomes are better than one, and to survive, separate your incomes is another priority, right? Your partner should be priority number one. Well, separating your income is a priority as well. And then just bringing what's needed for the household bills. That's all, or where you're renting or whatever you're doing. See, and then each of you have got your own money that you can do with what you want. That's the thing. It's important to do that. I'm telling you, right? Because I've been married for 40 years. We've been doing this for over 30 years. So we know what we're doing. And then when we first got married, argue. And what was it? So we initiated the separation, and it's been good ever since. So it's been really good, because there's no arguments over money anymore. Hasn't been for over 30 years. So you see, got to be done. Got to be done. This is a discipline. Okay. So, this is what you do, and you don't cry over the losers, right? Don't cry over the ones that don't work, and don't get into the attitude, oh, it's not got no money. No, keep on doing it. Do 10 a day, every day, and that's all you've got to do. Sit down with your diary, get a diary, and start planning your days out. Planning to do 10 a day. Write it up somewhere. So put it on your mirror or whatever. Got to do 10 slogans today. Just do that. And keep your job. Don't quit your job. That's a mistake, because you'll be tipped into poverty, and you don't want that. Okay. So do your job and do this part time. Okay. An hour a day. That's all you have to do. An hour a day. And I know you can spare an hour a day. I know you can. That's anybody who says they can't is lying. And that's all there is. If you want to be free, this business will give that to you if you're prepared to do the work. And there's always work. And then if you've got a job, you're working 8 to 10 hours or more a day. So every day, 5 days a week, and all you do is look forward to the weekend. And then you can do some slogans on the weekend. You can do, on the weekend, you can do some slogans then as well. See? And you can spend more time doing it. But you sit down, right, with your diary, and you just sit down and write down some. That's all. You go to Google, you can do searches, you can do whatever you like. It's really simple. You go to social media for memes, Etsy, and have a look at the top sellers selling slogans, but don't copy those, because you'll get slapped with a suit if you do. So just slant them, change them, and then test them, put them up. That's what you do. This is how you run your own business. You run your own world, your own existence, your own life. And then you get your life back, you become free, and you become a traveling nomad. It's brilliant. It is fantastic. And don't make no mistake. That's why I think that's why COVID-19 came along, because a lot of people getting this, you see, and they don't like it because they can escape the what? The tax trolley. That's what, see, because they're moving around all the time, and you see, and they know what to do. So there you go, see. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, smash the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Get involved in the Printful business. It's passive. That's the best income and the most secure income you can get. Okay? Because when you get sick and when you get hurt and when you can't get made redundant and then you can't get sacked. So it's only you get hurt and you get sick, that's it. And most of the time, and this income will provide for you when you're sick and if you get hurt. So there you go. But your earned income won't. No, it stops cold, and you're left with nothing. So to get on with it, come on, get into the Printful business, build it, build your Printful business. It'll provide for you as if you provide for it. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.